This is Chotu, who started working for the last
Mhm.
5 years.
Uh-huh.
When he was a kid, he came to our house.
Mhm.
Then we asked him to do some small jobs.
Uh-huh.
From that day onwards, he is working in our house,
Uh-huh.
not for any household job,
Uh-huh.
only for environmental job.
Uh-huh.
And I found him to be very good in mathematics.
Uh-huh.
So I encouraged him. My wife, in fact, paid all the school fees and they gave him uniform and everything.
Uh-huh.
And he is extremely good in mathematics,
Uh-huh.
but very, very weak in English.
Uh-huh.
So my wife is teaching him in English.
Uh-huh.
I am teaching him mathematics.
Okay.
Now he has come to class 6.
Mhm.
Very bright boy. I think he has a very bright future if somebody can guide him well.
Uh-huh.
And he helps us every day in plantation,
Uh-huh.
watering the plants.
Uh-huh.
He is one boy who comes regularly to us and every day he works.
Uh-huh.
This is Mr. Pankaj.
Uh-huh.
Master Pankaj.
Uh,
He is also very hard working.
Uh-huh.
I don't know what are his educational capabilities
Mhm.
because I never tried to ask him.
Mhm.
Because he comes only on Sunday morning to our house.
Uh-huh.
On Sunday morning, very early morning he comes.
Uh-huh.
In fact, one day when myself and my wife we were playing badminton
Uh-huh.
near the temple,
Uh-huh.
this boy along with one more boy, they were going to somebody else's house with all the axe and sword and things like that to plow and to work in something.
Uh-huh.
Then I don't know he came and asked my wife,
Mhm.
Auntie, is there any work?
Uh-huh.
Immediately she caught hold of him
Uh-huh.
and asked him to clean the surrounding area near the temple.
Uh-huh.
He did such a good job.
Mhm.
So then my wife encouraged him to come every Sunday morning
Uh-huh.
because other days it is not possible to get because we are busy.
Uh-huh.
And he attends a school in the evening which is run by our ladies club,
Uh-huh.
and he regularly attends a school in the evening.
Okay.
He is another very hardworking student, boy
Mhm.
who comes very regularly and whatever job is told he does it. Mainly he does the slightly strenuous job of planting trees
Uh-huh.
and digging them and replanting them.
Mhm.
That's what he does.
Okay.
This is Master Santosh.
Mhm.
He is another good boy.
Mhm.
He also attends the evening classes done by our ladies club.
Mhm.
And every Sunday morning he comes.
Mhm.
Initially he is not doing good job. So when we encouraged him
Mhm.
and told him what is the importance of doing this type of environmental service,
Mhm.
he is another dedicated boy and he takes care of the plants as if they are his own brothers and sisters.
Mhm.
That is Ajay,
Mhm.
Chota Ajay.
छोटा आ जाएगा. हाँ.
There is another bigger Ajay, he is Chota Ajay. He is, as long as we stand there, he does a good job. Because he is too young,
Uh-huh.
so he gets here and there. अच्छा काम जब सामने खड़ा रहते हैं, अच्छा काम करता है, तो इधर नजर उधर करने से फिर अजय साहब भागना शुरू कर देता है कि नहीं? हैं? तुम पौधा क्यों डालते हो? पौधा डालना अच्छा लगता है तुमको? हाँ, पौधा का डालना, पौधा का देखभाल करने से क्या होता है? बड़ा हो जाता है. बड़ा होने से हम लोगों को फल मिलता है, फूल मिलता है. उन्हीं पौधों की वजह से हम लोगों को बारिश होता है. बारिश होने से अच्छा है, खराब है?
अच्छा है.
बारिश होने से ही हम लोगों को खाना मिलता है ना. जो खेती बाड़ी जो करता है उन लोगों को बारिश चाहिए ना, पानी चाहिए ना. उसी के लिए जो काम तुम लोग कर रहे हैं उसी के चलते अगर ये सब पौधा बड़ा हो जाएगा, बड़ा बड़ा पेड़ हो जाएगा, उसी पेड़ ये मेघ क्लाउड को पकड़ लेती है, पकड़ के पानी गिरा देती है, तो बारिश होती है. उसी से हम लोगों को खाना मिलता है. अगर बारिश नहीं होने से सूखा पड़ जाएगा, खाना नहीं मिलेगा.
Next.
ये विकास, दिस इज मास्टर विकास. तो देखो तुम क्या लड़की है क्या? शादी करने आई है क्या? हैं? ऊपर देख. हाँ, मतलब बॉय लड़का है. ऐसा देख. हाँ, ये दिस इज मास्टर विकास. He is also another good boy. He does lot of. He is expert in making the plates and things like that for the one, and then he is very good in watering the plants. And he, along with Pankaj and one more, they are Chotu. These three I always assign the job of planting trees, digging them, planting them, and then making sure that they don't come out and making plates around them. These three do a very good job. This is Ganesh, Master Ganesh. His brother is Mr. Gulab. But Gulab, nowadays he is working. Somehow we could not generate much interest in him for doing this plantation and replantation and watering in this. He is only interested in coming and taking the food here. But in due course of time, somehow since we could not generate interest in him for doing this environmental service. So now he is working as a helper in one of the small hotels for some 300 rupees. But this boy, like Chotu, he is also interested in studies. So his mother, she is serving like a servant maid in few houses. She pays thing, and my wife also, she takes care of him because recently she paid a lot of money for all his new books and for all other things. Every evening he also comes and he takes care of different areas for watering, especially during summer. And he takes his evening food in our house, and first he goes and waters each day as a separate area, so that we will take care of all the plants which we have planted during the summer. This is Vicky. I don't know much about him. He's a small kid. Whatever job is assigned to him,
He does it very well.
He does it very well. Only thing is, he has to be cajoled to do more and more. Okay, if I tell him that you do digging of this plant, he will do it there and sit there only. But though I have to really assign him that in the next 1 hour you do this, then he does it very well. He's a very good boy, and he does much more than his physical capability.
Yes, that's true.
This is Ramu, my favorite boy.
Why is he your favorite?
Very, very shy, always smiling. See his smile, how good smile he has. He has the best smile among all these boys. Always, look at his eyes, he's full of enthusiasm. And he works very hard. Whatever job we give him, he also does it very well. And one good thing with him is that he is not disturbed by others, even if they are shouting, other boys if they are shouting and playing. He is one by whom I find that he is engrossed with his work, with his job, and whatever job is assigned to him, he does it. This is another Pankaj, whom we call Badmash Pankaj, because he is one boy who has to be controlled all the time by somebody.
Yeah.
Somebody is not there to control him. Our presence, he does a very good job. But turn your head. He indulges in teasing others, pulling the leg. But he is a good boy. This is Ajay. He is senior. Though they are at the same size, but age-wise he is elder. He is also a good boy. But the only thing is, his brother, who was going in the wrong direction of taking drugs and things like that, my wife, she explained to him, told him not to do things. He is also refined boy. He also would like to come and work. Maybe in due course of time, when we need bigger job, then because his brother is 90, maybe 12 years old, so maybe slightly when some other strenuous job is required, I think we will take his to help him. This boy is also now slowly changing. Earlier, he used to steal things from here and there and come and sell. That he has stopped now. When we explained to him, he is also refined boy now. He is also This is Surajmukhi, Master Surajmukhi. The Surajmukhi name itself says that the face is as bright as Suraj. Suraj is sun. Mukhi is face. So his face is as bright as you can see. The brightness in his face. He is one of the fair complexion boys in amongst all these people. And unfortunately, recently when he was playing in his house, he fell from the tree and his hand was broken. So the fracture was there. So he was hospitalized for quite some time. And only for the last 1.5 months he is coming. So we give him very light job as late as possible, which he can do with one hand. But one thing good with this boy is that I told him many a time, just you come and sit and just whatever little bit job you can do it, but have the food and go so that he will recover fast. But he wants to do with one hand whatever job he can do, he wants to do it.
Wow.
He doesn't want to sit idle, not like some of those boys, like this boy or that boy. He is one boy who would like to keep doing something, whatever is possible with one hand, he would like to do it. So looking at him, all others are getting motivated.
That's nice.
Then he is doing with one hand, if he is cutting the trees, cutting the weeds, all others, would like to go and help him cut the weeds. So he is one of the motivating process.